welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to share thread link to WhatsApp. Now to do that, first thing is open the thread application on your phone device. Once you open the thread app, what you need to do is go to the profile of yours. Tap on profile on the bottom right, tap that. In the profile, you will see the option of share profile. You tap that. This will give you the option to share your profile through different social media platform. So if you want to share your thread link to the WhatsApp, all you have to do is you can tap on copy over here and then you open the WhatsApp. And then you can just directly send the WhatsApp link to your friend. I'm just gonna go and type in the link over here. There's the link. You tap on send and this link will be sent to the friend of yours. This is one way how you can share the thread link. Now you go back to the thread application, then again tap on share profile, and in the share option, if you just scroll down, you will also see the WhatsApp directly for the option to be chosen. There you can directly choose your WhatsApp option and it will direct you to the WhatsApp for you to share the link. So this is a way how you can share your thread link to the WhatsApp. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.